A bar of iron cost $5. Made it into horseshoes, it costs $12. Made it into needles, it costs $3,500. Made it into balance springs for watches, it costs $300,000. Your value is determined by what you are able to make of yourself. Remember, carving on iron is really hard, but it's worth it. The moral of the lesson is, your value is determined by how much effort you can do to get the desired result. And sometimes being in a specific place does not mean that you don't have a value. You need to change the place. As we say in English, if you can't change them, change them. Thank you very much.